So in order to add more to your scene, you're going to need to add a few more tile maps. So you're going to right click, go to 2D object, then go to tile map. I'm going to do this a few times if you're watching this voiceover of me working. I'm not going to show you the whole process because it took me about 20 minutes to just lay out this level there's a few bloopers here and there. Definitely going to make sure you have something separate if you have two different types of foliage. And make sure you change the order and layer because we haven't got over sorting layers. We will put everything on a sorting layer in a later video. But adjusting the sorting layers, I'm putting the trees on -5 in the sorting layer. That way they're the farthest back from everything. As you can see here, I'm kind of just placing them out, spacing them out a little bit, and then I'm going to add some foliage there. I'm just going to kind of let you see this process for a few minutes. Then I will let you go back to to see the finished result afterwards. So yeah, enjoy. So here's the finished result of that process. You see here I have the floor, which is or what we created in the last one. I just expanded it out a little bit. Didn't make a huge level. Added some platforms, a little bit of a wall ledge there, and then this is going to be kind of where my exit is. I might add ceilings a little bit later, but for the purpose of this tutorial, this is fine. I added a separate layer for the trees and for some of the bushes, just to create some of these little extra spots where to make it look like they're grouped together. I threw some on the trees layer and then some on the foliage layer. I wanted to add these little pink spots here of foliage onto the edges just to give a nice little break in it and give it a little bit of color. And then of course I added some spikes to it right here. Spikes. That way it shows like a little danger. If you fall, then we can code that in later as kill boxes. So yeah. Alright. Keep learning, keep building. See you in the next video.